Ready to make your Shopify store stand out this holiday season? In today's video, we'll show you how to create a stunning Christmas landing page using EComposer. Whether you're in fashion, accessories, or any niche, we'll guide you through every step of building a page that will attract holiday shoppers and boost your sales. Let's get started. Step 1. Install EComposer. The tool we'll be used to build the Christmas landing page is EComposer Shopify Page Builder. So first things first, if you don't have EComposer installed, don't worry. Find the EComposer app link in this video description box and install it for your Shopify store now. You won't want to miss out on this. Once installed, head to your Shopify admin, click on Apps, and open up the EComposer Builder dashboard. Now, we're ready to start building. Now, click Start Building. On the landing page quick view, you have two options. Option 1, select the pre-made Black Friday templates. Then add your brand content, image, and product to go live. Option 2, choose a blank canvas. In this video, I will use EComposer to simulate a visual Christmas landing page for the fashion and apparel niche, like this. Name the page and jump right into the EComposer editor. Step 2. Start building the Christmas landing page. Now let's go to part 1, page introduction, starting with a one-column structure layout. With red background color. Then add the background image on. Adjust the image size to top left position and auto resize. Want to make your page truly pop? Stay tuned as we show you how to customize your content, so it's not just eye-catching but also conversion-friendly. Next, add the inner row on, then set the ratio 38:62. The left side is for heading, text, and call to action leading to your Christmas collection, such as Chic and Merry, Explore Hour, Xmas Couture. Discover the magic of Christmas fashion at EComposer. Below, add a floating red pine tree for that extra festive touch. Now, spend a few time customizing the design of each heading, text, and button. There are two font families I'm going to use for my Christmas landings content, which are Urbanist for titles and button, and Laura for subheadings and text. You can see I'm customizing the style of the title Explore Hour. Next is subheading Xmas Couture. About the style of this section description, I will copy style of the subheading Xmas Couture and apply for it. Then, just do some changes, like decrease the form size, remove the uppercase display, etc. And the right side for the main illustration, like a model satisfied with the sweater she's wearing. Notably, when hovering over an image, you can see a double-sided arrow. Hold that arrow and drag it up and down. You can easily resize the photo fast. Go to this Element Advanced tab. Add the entrance animation for the image. Select Zoom in Effect with a 500 millisecond duration and a 600 millisecond delay for a smooth, professional entrance. After adding the necessary content, let's start adjusting the design. Add the entrance animation as fade in up with 500 milliseconds for the animation duration and 600 milliseconds for the delay. Let's space out these text lines and objects by changing their spacing and position. Add the entrance animation as fade in up with 500 milliseconds for the animation duration and 600 milliseconds for the delay. Select each column, then choose to align its content to the middle. Finally, adjust the section width to full width. Remove the column gap. And set padding on the left and right to 30 pixels. And to complete this part, I will adjust the left column's top and bottom padding to 160 pixels. Part 2. New Arrivals Showcase. We will start with a new single column section with a full content width, no gap, and a black background color. Then add the marquee text to highlight your Christmas sale event offers and services. I will change the marquee text color to white first, back to the Content tab. Then, change texts in each item of this marquee text group. We have a full tutorial on how to build a stunning text marquee using EComposer. Tap, watch, and learn here. Back to this landing page. I will set the spacing for this text marquee. Then move to this section box setting to pick up the full content width and no column gap. Next, add a new structure for the new product showcase. With boxed content width, max width at 1370 pixels. Then, drop the heading, New Arrivals, a product grid to place new Christmas items, and a button View More Products between. Want to make your product grid stand out? We'll show you how to adjust margins, colors, and product details to make your items irresistible to holiday shoppers. In particular, customize the product grid content, such as select the collection to show, changing the maximum products to show. Next, choose the product grid layout as slider. Pick up square image ratio. In the product card setting, switch the sale badge type to %, then rename the sale badge command, like this. Next, hide the on sale or sold out badge. Moving to the slider settings. Here, after turning on the autoplay function and setting its speed to 1600 milliseconds, I will increase the column gap from 20 to 32. Next, increase the slider transition duration from 200 to 800 milliseconds. Now, I will spend a few minutes changing my product grid design. Like, in the product image, I will remove the border radius to 0 and set the bottom margin to 18 pixels. About the product title, I will consider whether the typography's parameters are okay or not. Regarding the product title color, I decided to keep it black in the normal mode and use the scarlet shade for the hovering status. Then, keep adjusting other components' display of this product grid, like Add to Cart button, Sale Badge, Price, Sale Price, Compare at Price, etc. Like here, after selecting the absolute position to make the call to action floating below the product images, I will change its color to match with the Christmas theme. Next, remove the border radius. then adjust the margin and padding of this component. And this is the outcome. To complete building the new arrival showcase section, I will customize the section button leading customers to view the whole items. In the beginning, I added this button between the section heading and the product grid. After realigning to the right side, now I will change its typography. And color in normal and hovering status. After changing its design, I will go to this Element's Advanced tab and increase the top margin to 8 pixels. In the width option, choose the custom option, then set the custom width. Part 3, Collection Showcase. Now, let's work on the Collection Showcase, starting with a 2-column structure with boxed content width. The max width is 1370 pixels. Then, set a festive green background with a silver confetti image. I have a kinda large illustration image, so I will adjust the ratio of 2 columns at 55:45. The bigger side is for the image. The small one is for heading and text showcase. I will spend a little time customizing the design of the heading. To save time, I will duplicate the completed heading. Then, just change the content and design of new headings. Here, I will place a countdown timer to raise the urgency. Here, I will turn off the progress bar. Change the color and style of all components to make my countdown timer visual on this collection showcase section. And last is a button leading to a Christmas sale-off collection. To complete designing this single collection part, I will realign all content of the left column in the middle. Besides, I have 2 more collections, which are family clothing and Christmas accessories. I will show them side by side on my Christmas landing page. After setting up the layout of this part, I will add the image, contents and call to action button of the first collection. Configure all components design and spacing. About the collection button, I will copy the call to action in the product showcase part. Then paste to this collection. Then just change the spacing and add collection link. Then just duplicate and add the rest collection content. To make this section more outstanding, I will add a lookbook between the single and double collection showcase sections. By using the EComposer lookbook element, you can show shoppers how they might look wearing the items you sell. You can click here to watch the full tutorial on how to create a sale-boosting lookbook by EComposer. And this is the outcome of a sale-driven lookbook. If you want more layouts, the Nitro Lookbook app is the best choice for you. which supports users in designing their lookbook in grid, masonry, list, and slider layouts for multiple pictures. Nitro Lookbook app is published in the Shopify App Store. Find the link in this video description box and try it free now. To complete this part, let's spend a few minutes adjusting the spacing between sections. Particularly, in the single collection showcase and lookbook sections, I will set the top and bottom padding at 70 pixels and the left and right paddings at 30 pixels. Regarding the double collection showcase, the top padding can be 65 pixels, 0 pixels for the opposite side, and 30 pixels for the left-right padding. Part 4. Customer Engagement. Want to connect with your customers on a deeper level? Here's how you can build trust and encourage sign-ups with just a few clicks. This part includes a testimonial, FAQs, and a newsletter sign-up form. To help you save time and effort when building your website, EComposer has a feature named Insert section. To use that feature first, you need to access the EComposer template library. Searching another EComposer page template. For example, here is the Christmas sale. Then, click on the Preview button. I will scroll down and find the section I want to insert on my editing landing page, like these testimonial and FAQ sections. Those sections are mobile optimized, so you just insert, delete unnecessary elements, and change the content and color to match what your brand wants to convey in the upcoming Christmas event. And finally, as introduced before, a newsletter form to collect more leads wanting to receive exclusive Christmas deals and news from your brand. Step 3. Christmas Landing Page Optimize, including mobile responsiveness, on-page SEO, and adding vibrant Christmas effects. Over 50% of online shoppers use mobile devices. Don't miss out on this massive audience. I'll start optimizing spacing, font size, alignment, position of each component, displaying on tablet first, then mobile later. Check out our detailed tutorial about mobile optimization with EComposer in this video description. Next, look for SEO on-page analytics by using the SEO audits feature here. This is a cool integration feature. So first, you should select the app you want to audit your Christmas landing page. Waiting a few seconds, then, you can see which aspects you should consider to improve your Christmas landing page, like adding more relevant keywords, optimizing your image, enhancing your page meta description, etc. Plus, to make your Christmas landing page stand out from the crowd, I suggest you install EComposer Christmas Effects. That extension can enhance your landing page vibe by adding the custom snowflake, Christmas soundtrack, and Merry Christmas gift box. I will stick the full tutorial on how to configure that extension here. Tap, watch, and learn now. Step 4. Save and publish your landing page. Once you're happy, click Save and then Publish. Congratulations! Your Christmas landing page is live and ready to attract shoppers. Wow! It looks so gorgeous! Want to make this process even faster? I recommend you use EComposer pre-built templates to build your desired Christmas landing page. Access over 400 plus page templates and 1,000 plus section templates that help to build your page in a fraction of the time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building a successful e-commerce business. Wishing you a successful holiday season and happy selling!